You are watching the Maritime Academy channel on YouTube. A working vessel hit a large crane ship in the port of Rotterdam during repairs on Tuesday, knocking one worker into the water, according to local authorities. The individual remains missing and is presumed dead, according to local authorities. The giant semi-submersible crane ship Maritime 7000 is currently moored in Rotterdam for maintenance, and had scaffolding erected on board. The pier is at a well-known repair yard in the Botlek, a densely built-up inner harbour district. The crane ship is located in a narrow basin, next to a moored Jack UP drilling rig. Early Tuesday afternoon, as maintenance was underway, a vessel made contact with Maritime 7000, causing a worker to fall into the water. Local emergency services deployed several diving teams as well as sonar and ROV devices in an attempt to carry out a rescue. The effort shifted to search and recovery after 1 hour, and the victim has not been found.